Now let's run this and see whether there is any error. So shift enter, the same now error. So the next thing that we can do is to come here and click enter, and now we take this IS potential. Let me just copy it and take it, and we make list. So we make list, and we say list within a list. This is like when someone is coming from JavaScript, you can say array within array, but in Python we talk about list within a list. So this list, we have another list, and the list, it is for which column to be displayed. I want to display this one first. So I come here, I make a string and paste the first column to be displayed. Then I want also to display this one over here, this of the necessarily, and I do like that. And yes, now I can run to see output. So shift enter, and there is a problem somewhere. Invalid decimal literal. Okay, this one should be also the like that. Then you can do that, and then finally say, and I'm going to measure. This should not be spaced. This is very sensitive when it comes to data science, and you can see we have everything here.